Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Kanika, your go-to channel for tech-related content. In today's video, we are diving deeper into SQL and exploring some powerful query features like select distinct, and, or, not in, and between. By the end of the video, you will feel confident using these commands in your own projects. So let's get started. First, let's start with the select distinct. Imagine you have a table of students and you want to find out the class names or the unique class names the students have enrolled in. Now let's first have a look on the students table. So let's write select star from students. Let's run this query. Voila. So here you can see the student ID, name and class, and in the class column you can see that we have the duplicate values. Now instead of seeing the duplicate values, we only want to see the unique or the distinct class names the students have enrolled in. So let's write select distinct class from students. Now let's run this query, and yeah, so this query pulls the only unique or the distinct values or the class names the students have enrolled in from the students table. The select distinct keyword used to return only the distinct or the unique values from a column. If a column contains duplicate values, distinct ensures to return or to appear those rows only once in the result set. Next, we will learn how to filter data using and, or, and not. So these are the logical operators which are used to combine filter conditions. Now for this, we will be using another table called employees. Let's see the employee table first. So select star from employees. Let's run this. So this table contains employee ID, name, department and the salary. Now let's see how to use the AND condition. So let's tweak this query a bit. So select star from employees. Let's add a condition where let's say department is equals to HR, and we want to filter with one more condition. So let's use the AND operator and say salary is greater than 20,000, say. Let's run this query, and here, so this AND operators ensures to combine these two conditions as department and salary, and it returns the employees who are working in the HR department having more than 20,000 of the salary. Let's run one more query. Write select star from employees where department is equals to HR, or department is equals to IT. Here we are fetching the employees who work in either the HR department or in the IT department. Now let's run this query, and here the OR operator allows you to specify multiple conditions where at least one condition is to be true to be included in the result set. Moving on to the next query, select star from employees where not department is equals to finance. Finally, not excludes the rows where the condition is true. Let's run this query. So the not operator ensures to exclude all of the rows where this condition is true. Not is used to negate a specific condition or any specified condition. So here in the result we can see all of the employees who are working in different departments but not from the finance department. Sometimes you need to match values from a specific list. That's where in and not in comes in handy. So let's write another query. And for this we will be using another table. So let's see first the customer table. So select star from customers. Let's run this query. And here we can see the customer ID, name of the customer, and the country the customers belongs to. Now let's use the in condition. Select star from customers, and let's say we have a list of specific countries and we would like to see the customers belong to that particular specific list of the countries. So select star from customers where country in, and let's start with the list, say USA, then we can say India, and let's include Australia. Let's run this query, and here we can see all of the customers who are from the country USA, India, and Australia. Conversely, the not in will exclude the customers who belongs from these country. So let's use the not condition in here. So the query will say select star from customers where country not in the particular list, and the list says USA, India, and Australia. Now let's run this query, and so here we can say we can see all of the customers who are from the countries, say Canada, UK, Finland, Africa, Italy, but not from the USA, India, and Australia. So the not in operator again used to negate a specific condition, so it excludes all of the rows where this condition is true. While or and in can sometimes be used interchangeably, there is a key difference between them. The or operator manually lists the multiple comparison, whereas in uses a better and a clear way to match the values from a predefined list. So let's understand with an example. Let's write select star from customers where country is equals to USA, or country is equals to India, or country is equals to Australia. Now let's run this query, and we got all of the customers who belong to the countries USA, Australia, and India. Now let's run another query using in operator that we already see. So select star from customers where country in, and just use the predefined list which we have already used in the previous query. Now let's run this query. So both the queries return the same results, but it is worth noticing that the in operator, while using the in operator, makes the query more readable and efficient in use. Finally, let's look at the between operator, which helps you filter the data within a specified range. So for this, we will be using another table called sales. Let's see the sales table first. So select star from sales. Now let's run this query. So here we get the sale ID, product name, sale date, and the amount. Now let's use the between operator. Select star from sales where sale date between, say we only want to see the products that made sale between the date range of from October to December 2024. So let's say let's write sale date between 2024 10/01 and 2024 12 and 31st. Now let's run this query. So this query fetches out all of the data that falls between the specified date range. So between October 2024 to 31st December 2024. So here we get only these two records, right? The between operator uses both the upper and the lower boundaries. And that's it for today's video. We covered some super useful SQL features that make querying your data more efficient and intuitive. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments which SQL topic you want me to cover next. Till then, happy querying!